Have you ever given any thought to the fact that literally everything in your life right now that you're using is the physical manifestation of somebody else's dream? Think about that for a moment. This thing only existed in their mind. They just thought about it. And at the time, depending on how grand the idea was, I'm sure nobody saw the vision. I'm sure when the idea of the internet was being thrown around, nobody thought it was possible that I could be here, someone could be in Shanghai, someone could be in Sri Lanka, someone could be in Australia, someone could be in Ghana, and we could all be watching the same video at the same exact time. I'm sure people thought that was impossible. And yet, here we are. Because the people who had that vision, that picture in their mind, were determined to manifest it in the physical realm so that our lives could be better because of it. Full moons in the world of astrology are a wonderful opportunity to manifest because they're really about renewal. It's about rebirth. But in order to renew and be able to birth something new, we have to release. So fundamentally, a full moon is about releasing. It's about letting go. It's about purging your spirit. This is why women who tend to, random fun fact, menstruate while we're having a full moon tend to be highly intuitive, highly spiritual, and highly psychically inclined. This full moon in Aries is calling us to release what no longer serves us, to let go of people, places, and situations that no longer serve us. It's also calling us to let go of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that allowed people, places, and situations that no longer serve us to really make space in our lives. So you want to let go of those things, but you also want to let go of the environment that made room for those things to even exist and thrive in your space. It's also about fiercely going after your dreams and fiercely moving ahead and manifesting them, because as you know, Aries is the sign of leadership. It is a cardinal sign. Aries is a sign of action, and Aries is nothing if not bold. So if you want to make your dreams come true, Aries is saying you have to be brave. You have to be bold. You can't be insecure. You can't be wishy-washy. You can't be inactive. You have to take action. If you're Aries, it's time to call the shots. It's time to make your own rules. It's time to be in charge of your destiny. It's time to lead. Lead. Be the leader in your own life. It doesn't matter if other people don't get it. Who cares? It's about you. You get it. You go for it. You move forward. If you're a Libra, it's time to purge your social circles so that you only keep friends and connections that actually help you grow in the future. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time.